Hi everybody, this is CR number 15, helper video number 3. It says, which of the following graphs is not a function? Well, try to remember, as soon as you see a graph, you have to perform the vertical line test. And hopefully you guys remember that the vertical line test is just drawing vertical lines on each graph. If it only touches the graph in one spot, that means it's a function. But if it touches the graph in more than one spot, then it is not a function. So we're going to go ahead and apply that vertical line test right now to the points on the graphs. So let's go. So the first one, I'm going to go ahead and start drawing my vertical lines. Here's 1, 2, 3 vertical lines, and why not? I'll draw one right there too. Notice each time it is only touching the graph at one point. So this one is a function, so it can't be the answer, because remember, I'm looking for the one that is not a function, okay? Now, when you see a graph like B with an open circle, that open circle means do not count that point as part of the graph, okay? So when I draw my vertical lines, I'm not going to draw them through points that are open circles. So right now I'm going to go ahead, draw my vertical lines on the solid part of the line. It only touches once each time. It is a function. This cannot be the answer because you're looking for the one that is not a function. All right, we've got some points on a graph. Once again, it can only touch one point at a time in order for it to be a function. So let's go ahead and draw lines through there. It touches one point there. But look what happens here. When I draw this vertical line, notice it's touching a point here as well as this point here. As soon as you see 2 points touching that vertical line that you drew, that means it is not a function and you are looking for not a function. So there it is. Good luck with yours.